Just one second, I'm sorry. Ms. Trevino,
Yes, ma'am.
are you wearing that headdress because that's your religion, or is there something else going on?
What are you talking? My durag?
Yeah, you need to take that off. I don't know where everybody thinks they are, but you're in court. How long is it gonna take your
Okay.
client to remove her do-rag and dress appropriately and be ready for court, Mr. Myrick?
Oh, no. Honestly, I thought that was some kind of native scarf or something on her head, but maybe it wasn't. All
I
right.
thought it was okay for
I'll
me
do
to
it.
wear it because I was in court. I was in my house.
Oh,
No
there
one
she
told
is.
me that I had to dress properly in my house, so I wasn't aware of that. Sorry, that's my fault.
No, you're in a courtroom. And honestly, I don't know why anyone would want to be seen in public with a do-rag.
That's what we do. Parades. It's a Black culture.
Excuse me, time out. I'm Black, and guess what? I'm not wearing a do-rag on the screen because I'm in a courtroom. Not only am I not wearing a do-rag, I'm not picking up unauthorized uses or criminal cases. So please, don't try to tell me what's happening with
That's
the
not
Black
true. That's
culture,
me. So
because honestly, I believe
we're not comparing and contrasting. I'm talking
I'm
about me,
older
not
than
you.
you, and I
That's
know
the question
more
I
about
told
the
you.
Black
Don't matter
culture
about age.
than you,
Not
and I
mindset.
respect the Black culture by remembering that my ancestors were slaves, and I'm not going out picking up criminal cases. So this is what we're going to do with yours, Mr. Myrick. Since she want to be all, I'm hard, she can be in court. So this is being recalled tomorrow, and she'll be in court. Thank you.
Okay. Look, well,
See you in court tomorrow at 1:30. It's the 187 District Court, 4th floor, 300 De La Rosa. And know that you're not allowed to wear a do-rag in court. And no, do-rags are not Black culture. Do-rags have been invented recently. So everybody go get your wrap on. See you at 1:30, Mr. Myrick. Deputy Laura, Deputy Mejia.
Yes, Judge.
Regardless of what she believes to be Black culture, do not allow her in the courtroom with the do-rag on.
Yes, Judge.
And if she's not dressed appropriately for court, then we will send her home so she can become dressed appropriately.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Trevino, I'm showing you a document entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
I cannot hear you.
Ah,
Yeah?
Okay, first of all, it's not yeah, it's either yes or no. Second of all, could you get into a stationary position and stop the swaying back and forth?
I said yes, ma'am. I never said yeah.
No, you said yeah, because the court reporter has taken down everything that everyone is saying. So in this courtroom, it's either yes or no. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What you're charged with is unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
hear.
Nobody heard her.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you not speak up? Is there an issue?
Oh, I said yes, ma'am, like 3 times.
No, you didn't. And here's the thing. You need to speak up and you need to stop swaying. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You were on this Zoom yesterday talking about do-rags were a part of Black culture. Well, let me just tell you this. Swaying, not saying yes or no, that's not a part of the Black culture. That's just you doing silly things while you're on Zoom, and the court will not be tolerating it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm going to show you what's entitled plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting a $1,000 fine, recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Shakaria or Shakira Baker, Shukria, or Shukia. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service, restitution, and CATS 1 and 2. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are we proceeding with sentencing?
No objection to that. We hope so, yeah.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Well, in the fact that she's really on her own, and she's doing her best. I think she just has to be careful of the company she keeps, but she doesn't have, to my knowledge, alcohol or drug issues at this time. Perhaps a little bit of some mentoring would be helpful for her in obtaining stable employment.
Ms. Trevino, how old are you?
I'm 18.
If you're drug tested today and know you're going to be drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Positive.
For what?
Marijuana.
And what else?
That's it.
Who are you living with?
Myself.
How far did you go in school?
I dropped out 9th grade.
Why?
Because I just was going through things and I wanted to make my money.
All right. So dropping out of school, I think we can put a checkbox by that's not a part of the Black culture.
I'm going back, so.
Well, going back and going back are two different things. You're not going back. You're not there.
I am there. I got my computer. I already went back. I go to CAN.
What did she just say? I have no idea.
It's off topic anyway. That's off topic.
Okay, see, I think this is what you don't understand. As a condition of your deferred adjudication, I can have you taken into custody, and then you can get on topic at the Bexar County Jail. Whatever question I ask you is on topic.
I go to school, so I answered your question.
What did she just say? She will not open her mouth and speak so that somebody can understand her. Again, that's something that's not a part of the Black culture, where we can't understand what each other is saying. Since you're saying you go to school.
9th grade.
Where are you attending school?
Texas can.
What is your answer to that question?
I'm attending San Antonio CAN.
How long have you been there?
I just started this year, so probably like, I think I've been at CAN 3 months.
How are you supporting yourself?
I'm getting unemployment and make money moves. My hustle is worth that. That's how I pay my bills.
Hustle is where.
Side jobs. I do side jobs to pay my bills.
Okay, let's back up a little bit. First, you're saying you make money moves. Don't know what that is. And then you say you're hustling. What do you mean by hustling? What exactly are you doing?
I sell body wash. I sell makeup. I do like electronic stuff on the side with people, that type of stuff, like side jobs.
Where are you getting makeup from to sell?
I got connects. My girlfriend. She gives it to me and I said it.
You got connects. Here's the thing. People, could we all pretend, even if it's not true, let's pretend like we have formal education, that we've went to school, and let's stop using slang. Let's start speaking in complete sentences, and every complete sentence must have at least two things, a noun and a verb, at the very least. So let's try doing that, and let's be better. You're going to get a job. If you're living by yourself, you need to be employed.
Get a job, well, because right now I'm getting unemployment. I've been having issues with the unemployment, so that's kind of been an issue. So I'll probably end up back with a physical job like McDonald's, for example. And that's
No, I mean, what I'm telling you is you are going to have a job.
Oh, yeah.
Collecting unemployment means, the very definition of it means you don't have employment because you're unemployed. And the 187, you're on probation, you will have employment. That's going to be $1,000 fine. No, I'm not probating it. 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Shakira Baker And who are these people you were with in this vehicle?
My friends and my siblings.
All right. 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Ms. Baker, Abel Ramos, Nathaniel Mejia, Priscilla Salazar, Amber Rocha, Jennifer Rocha, and Sharon Riles. There's to be weekly Zoom reporting, proof of employment within 30 days. And Rebecca, it needs to be a real job where she's getting a real paycheck and paying real taxes. 120 hours community service restitution. Cats 1 and 2. I'm going to want field visits at least 2 times per month at wherever she's staying. And I want it to be random. Rebecca, is there anything else you need?
All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 0666, State of Texas versus Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Joe Ray Garcia.
For the defense?
Jeff Mulliner for Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino.
And are you Ms. Sutherland Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Sutherland Trevino, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review this document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 0666 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on March 30th, 2021 for a period of 2 years and extended for 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 12th day of November, 2021 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino, did then and there test positive for marijuana in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Ms. Sutherland Trevino, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is that an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask that the court adjudicate the defendant, revoke probation, sentence the defendant under 1244 of the Penal Code to a sentence term of 30 days, Bexar County Jail. And if it please the court, this judgment be satisfied.
Ms. Sutherland Trevino, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. Court will grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail under 12.44. Court will find that the judgment is satisfied. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, Ms. Sutherland Trevino. We can go off the record. Ms. Trevino, I saw that was the second motion to revoke, and you just would not stop using marijuana. You're gonna have to make a decision on what you want to do with your life. If you want to continue to be in and out of jails, the Bexar County Jail and other places, you can choose to live that way. Life is pretty simple. People make life so difficult. If you follow many of the rules, everything will be just fine.